How to use Dr. Crop Guru mobile application. Dear farmers, welcome to Dr. Crop Guru mobile application. Friends, we have launched to your service the true mobile friend to manage agricultural information. Dr. Crop Guru mobile application. Through Dr. Crop Guru mobile application, according to your crop, according to the variety of crop, depending on type of soil, depending on environment around you, you will be exporting or sell goods in local market. Accordingly, we are guiding you through digital media on how to plan at a very low cost. Where will be the Dr. Crop Guru mobile application available to you? Dr. Crop Guru mobile application is available on mobile Play Store. First, from Play Store, install Dr. Crop Guru mobile application. After installing the application, select Language window will open. Select the preferable language and click Next to continue. After this, a new window will open to enter your personal information. Enter personal information in this window. Your full name, your mobile number, register and log in. Then you will receive a 4-digit OTP. After filling and sending it, the next window will open. On this window, you need to enter your location information such as your state, your district, your taluka, your village. After submitting all the information, your location will be served to Dr. Crop Guru mobile application, and based on your local location, you will get the weather forecast as well as the advice on crop according to the weather. After entering all the above information, the main window will open. First, you will see the following windows: My Farms, Weather, Government Scheme, Emergency Call, Farming Videos, Krishi News. You have to register your plot, your crops information by clicking My Farms option. How to register a plot in My Farm option? First, click on My Farm option. After clicking My Farm, click Add New Plot. On this window, you will have to enter the complete information of the crop that will be in your plot. First, select your crop. Select crop variety. Select your soil type. Select plantation, pruning year. Select whether is your crop pruned, planted. If pruned, select a pruning plantation date. If not pruned, select a possible date. Select pruning plantation type. Select irrigation source. Select your garden method. Select crop distance. You will have to select purpose, whether to export your goods or sell them in the local market. Select total area of your garden. Select the previous year problem. And lastly, clicking on Submit option, so the registration of your plot will be completed. Then, after clicking on My Farm option, you can add plots of different crops you have and view your agricultural practices management in them. Click on View More to see management of the plot you have registered. After that, the following window will open and you will see the following options: Schedule, Question Answer, FAQ, Agronomist Visits, Diary, Report Master, Plot Information, NRC Label Claim List. Schedule, Spray and Fertilizer Management Schedule based on your plot information you have registered will be available here. Also, daily practices will be available depending on the condition of your crop. FAQ. This option gives you information on common questions you may have about your crop. Question and answer. From this option, you can ask your farm-related question by clicking on the Add Question option. If you take a photo of the problem and ask a question, your doubts are immediately resolved through this option. Diary. If you add a schedule from the schedule option to the diary, or When all the information about what you have done is filled in the diary, complete information of your crop is saved, which you can use anytime. Agronomist visit. In this, you get the information about a visit made by Dr. Crop Guru agronomist to your plot. It saves the immediate planning and measures suggested by the agronomist. Report master. If you add water, soil, leaf test report of your plot in this window, you will get information and fertilizer schedule according to report. Plot information. You will see the registered information of your plot. You will see the days before and after the planting of your plot. And you can change your plot information by clicking on Edit. Type of pruning, plantation. Date of pruning, plantation. Your total area you can change. After clicking on Submit, the information you have changed will be saved. NRC Label Claim List. NRC Label Claim List information will be available on the label claim list of the medicines prescribed by NRC, the pre-harvesting interval of those medicines, as well as the maximum residue level. Information about the options on the main window. For that, you have to go back to the main window, and you will see some options in it are as follows: weather, government scheme, emergency call, farming videos, Krishi news, notifications, blogs about farming, side window, weather. In this option, you will get today and next 4 days weather forecast according to your local location. Government scheme. This option will provide information on various agricultural schemes implemented by the government. Emergency call. Using this option, you can make an emergency call to get immediate advice on any problem in your field. Your problem is solved by answering your call immediately. So we call this option emergency call. This service is available to you 24/7. Emergency plot visit is another option available here. Our expert advisors also come to your plot and guide you to solve the problems you have about your plot. Farming videos. In this, you will be able to watch various videos of agricultural information depending on your crop, including videos based on current events in the environment, as well as other useful videos. Krishi news. In this option, you can read the latest agricultural news. Notifications. From this option, you will get notifications of agricultural activities. Blogs about farming. On the main window, there are various agricultural information blogs through which you can understand the small technical aspects of agriculture. Information about the options on the side window. The following options are available in this window: Home, Profile, Share, Rate Crop Guru app, Terms and Conditions, Contact Us, About Us, Change App Language, Log Out. Home. After clicking on this option, the main window of Dr. Crop Guru mobile application will open. Profile. After clicking the option Profile, you will see the personal information registered in the Dr. Crop Guru mobile application, like full name, mobile number, email ID, state, district, taluka, village name, address. Share. Using this option, you can share the link of Dr. Crop Guru mobile application. Rate Crop Guru app. Rate Crop Guru app. By using this option, you can rate Dr. Crop Guru mobile application on Play Store. Terms and Conditions. Terms and Conditions. After clicking on this option, you can read the terms and conditions of Dr. Crop Guru mobile application. Contact Us. After clicking on this option, you will get information about Dr. Crop Guru mobile applications, customer care number, email ID, website, address, About Us. After clicking on this option, About Us, you will get brief information about Dr. Crop Guru mobile application and a brief information about the services offered through Dr. Crop Guru mobile application. Change app language. By using this option, you can choose the language of Dr. Crop Guru mobile application: Marathi, Hindi, English. Log out. Log out by clicking on this option. You can log out of your profile from Dr. Crop Guru mobile application. So dear farmer friends, don't be late. Use Dr. Crop Guru mobile application, your true mobile friend who is always with you. For more information about the application, 9403 415 664. Information about grapes, 888 33 10 664. Information about pomegranate, 766 77 1565. Information about vegetables, 7219 315 664.